Cebu lechon with Richie's cheesy noodles. Tara, let's merienda mga best! Try natin itong Richie's cheesy pancit canton. Meron silang original and spicy variant, pero ang tatry natin ngayon is cheesy calamansi. Ang ganda ng packaging mga best, very colorful and madali siyang buksan. Magpakulo lang tayo ng tubig and cook for 3 minutes. And habang niluluto, mix na natin yung cheesy calamansi seasoning and oil. Mix, mix, mix. At dahil gutom na kami at mas mabilis magluto ng pancit canton kesa rice, itong Richie's cheesy noodles ang ipopartner natin sa ulam natin for today. Parang nakakatakam yung sauce niya mga best. And lagay na natin on top itong napakasarap na Cebu lechon. And here's our Cebu lechon with Richie's cheesy noodles. Tikman na natin! What I like about this pancit canton is first the noodles dahil firm at hindi labsak. Next is the flavor. Kapit na kapit yung lasa niya na very unique with a hint of cheese and the zesty calamansi flavor. Super sarap na niya on its own pero syempre nag-level up dahil nilagyan natin ng Cebu lechon. I hope you can also try this mga best. Richie's cheesy noodles available sa mga sari-sari stores near you. Until our next food trip mga best, tara let's eat!